Hi guys. Welcome to Selenium WebDriver channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. In this Selenium with Python Part 3 video, we will see what are different types of browser commands. Get command method is used to open an URL and it will wait till the whole page gets loaded. Get title method will return the title of the page. Get current URL used to get the URL of the currently opened web page in the browser. Get page source used to get the HTML page source code. Close, it closes the current browser window on which the focus is set. Quit, method that successively closes all the browser windows and ends the WebDriver session graciously. We will see with examples how the browser commands works. From Selenium. Import WebDriver. Driver equals webdriver.chrome, r. Give the path of Chrome driver. Driver.get method. Pass the URL in this method. Print driver.title. This method will be print title of the current page. Print driver.get current URL. This method will return the current URL. Driver.close. It closes the current browser window on which the focus is set. Now we will run the browser.py file. In console you can see the title and current URL of the page has been captured. Now we will see how to capture the HTML page source. Print driver.page source. This method will return the HTML page source. Now run the browser.py file. In the console you can see the HTML page source has been printed. Now we will see how close and quit method works. Copy farm2home URL and paste it in get method. Now we'll inspect the contact link. We can see it is having anchor tag as it is link. Driver.find element by link text. Pass the contact link as string. Time.sleep. We have wait till the URL loads complete. Import time. Call the click method. Now run the browser.py file. Now upon clicking contact link, the contact page will open in new window. As we used driver.close, it has closed only the main page. The contact us page remains unclosed. Now we will use driver.quit. We will give some time. Sleep after clicking on the contact link. Now we'll run the browser.py file. Driver.quit has closed all the instances of the driver. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.